Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Settings because Apple Maps voice options are controlled system-wide. Open Settings, scroll and tap Maps. This step lets you reach navigation and voice controls. Once done, confirm Preferred Voice or Navigation Voice appears. If not, updating iOS will add choices. Make sure location services are enabled so Maps can deliver turn-by-turn prompts. This entry step sets the stage. You're preparing the app to accept a new voice and preventing issues later in the flow. Next, you pick the actual voice. Tap Navigation Voice, choose language, and then a voice variant. Some are labeled by accent or name. If a cloud icon shows, tap to download. You need the file locally for offline navigation. Once the voice is selected, open Maps, set a short route, and start guidance to test it immediately. This checks pronunciation, volume, and pacing so you can tweak settings like volume or spoken directions frequency before relying on it while driving. Finish by fine-tuning. In Map settings, adjust spoken directions frequency and ensure device volume is appropriate for driving. This is why small tweaks matter. If the new voice fails to play, force quit Maps and relaunch it, or reboot your iPhone to resolve caching glitches. Make sure Bluetooth audio is routed correctly if you use a car stereo. Sometimes navigation audio routes to a different output. If problems persist, re-download the voice and test again to confirm the voice files aren't corrupt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.